Assalamu alaikum guys, what's up you guys? It's a brand new day today. It's a brand new day today. It's a brand new day today. Hey, so we are back with another Cooking with Ed video. Today we're going to be doing a Halloween pre-packed sugar cookie dough kind of Halloween cookie thing just to start off the holiday season with some Halloween cookies in the Halloween spirit. And next cooking video, we'll do something a little different. This next time we'll do, instead of baking dessert stuff, we're gonna get back into like dinner, lunch, and steaks, cookouts, and stuff like that. So make sure you guys do like this video, hit that smash button, subscribe, tell your friends about me, tell your family, all that stuff. If you do like this video, if you want more videos, make sure you guys leave a comment below to tell me what you guys want, more ideas and stuff. If you want a shout out, let me know. But yeah, so my mom's just getting ready. She's gonna be my camera girl today. So we're about to start this video, and if you do like this video, make sure to subscribe. And this is just a simple, easy thing, pre-packed Pillsbury cookie dough, sugar cookie kind of thing. So without any further questions or ado, let's get this video started. Butterfly fly. Welcome back, you guys. So, welcome back. This is a Pillsbury ready to bake pumpkin shaped sugar cookie dough. This is what it's gonna look like. So we got 24 pre-cut cookies. This is the cookie right here, Pillsbury. This is just for a little Halloween. This is to get ready for the Halloween spirit. Holidays are coming up. We got November. We got Thanksgiving. December. We got Christmas. January. We got New Year's. So we're about to get this holiday started with some exciting stuff, new foods to try, new things to do, new vlogs, and so on. So we'll see you guys. Peace in the next shot. Bye. What's up, you guys? Welcome back. So we have our cookies here. We're going to spread them on this ungreased cookie sheet dough. So let's grab one. These are the pre-baked cookie, sugar dough cookie, whatever you want to call it, like that. Is it good? Sticky. Oh shit. Sticky. Beja. Something like that. More close, yeah. I'm not really good at measuring what it's all good in the hood. 4, like that. Ooh. Don't want to mess them up. Yeah, so it is October, you guys. It is October. So we're gonna make some Halloween kind of cookie thing to get the holidays started. Like I said earlier in the intro, Halloween's here, and then November is Thanksgiving, and then December is Christmas, and January is New Year's, and then we kick off 2021. Hopefully 2021 is a better year. 2020 has been a crappy year for all of us. Everyone's been telling me that. Everywhere you go on social media, they say that kind of stuff. It's kind of, I mean, it's true. You know, it has been a crappy year, but hey, you gotta make it the use. You gotta make. Should I just put them more apart?
Do one more row.
Do one more row.
Have to do another.
Okay. So we're gonna do one more row, but like I said, hopefully 2021 is better. Just because we've all been going through a lot. So we got all our cookies here. We got the oven to a 350 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm gonna put this. Hold on. Okay. So now, the directions tell us to bake it for 10 to 12 minutes, I believe. So we're gonna put that to 10 to 12 minutes, like that. There's the box there, what it looks like. So we're gonna do one row, but for later on. But we've got these here. Yeah. So put it in the oven or wait a little bit.
Wait.
So we're gonna wait. So we'll see you guys in the next shot. But right now, we're gonna wait for the oven to cool or start to warm up, and then we'll see you guys in the next shot. Welcome back, you guys. Welcome back. So the oven is at officially 334. Couple more minutes to go until that reaches 350. It's 7:59 here. It says 8 o'clock, so a little minute early. But yeah, so 343, and We're almost ready to put these in the oven. Let them bake for 10 to 12 minutes. We'll come back. We'll do the. It says about 1 minute. Okay, that's that. So it is ready to put it in the oven. Gonna put this open the oven here. Yeah. Oof. That's a hot air. That's that. Okay, we're gonna get the tray. Got the tray here. I'm gonna do this shot by myself, and we'll do the cooking or the. Then it says after these put in the oven 10 to 12 minutes. We're gonna let it cool off for a minute, and then we can taste it. So that's that, and we'll see you guys in 10 to 12 minutes. So I'm gonna put the timer here. Here, right? Yeah. So we're gonna put the timer for. We're gonna do it. We're gonna do it at 10:50. All right. So time is right now. We'll see you guys in 10 minutes, and then last episode shot will be the tasting of our cookies. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Welcome back, you guys. The testing part is here. So this is the official homemade, pre-made, pre-packed cookie dough, sugar cookie dough. So we're about to try this right now. Okay. Okay. Put some light here. Okay. This is not bad. Sugar cookie, very crunchy, very chewy, soft. My favorite. I like cookies like this. That's good. It's good. Very good. Bismillah. I'm gonna finish this and I'm gonna wrap up this video. That's what's up. That's what's up, G. Let me get some of my Dr. Pepper. So, that was a very good cookie. I used to have those cookies when I was a kid. Brought back memories of like during the Christmas season and the Halloween holidays. Just like when my mom used to pre-made those in the oven and all that. It's really good. So I'm gonna give this an A+. I know this video is just like not the coolest one. It's already been pre-made. But since the holidays are coming up, I thought I would do something for Halloween. And stay tuned for Thanksgiving. There'll be a couple of things. There'll be a couple cooking with Ed videos on Thanksgiving and some Christmas cooking with Ed videos as well. Some good meals. So thanks for tuning in, guys. If you did like this video, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and leave a comment below so I know how I did and what I need to work on and so forth. Again, this is Cooking with Ed, and we'll see you guys in the next video. But right now we are out. So peace, and I love you. Take care, and we are out here. Hey.
Ese booty no te cabe en el jumper. Ya no hay otra, tú mataste la compa. Tú eres quien me